Hello, my name is Samantha Nava, and I will be doing my presentation on the anaphylactic shock for my Kin 212 summer course. So what anaphylaxis is, basically it's an acute allergic reaction that is rapidly progressive and can be fatal if not treated immediately. It is commonly triggered by foods, um, insect stings, and medication. Um, yeah, the reason anaphylaxis is considered a systemic because it involves the entire body. The immune system overreacts to its allergen by releasing chemicals that cause allergy symptoms. So the first manifestation of anaphylaxis is on the skin. So usually people will feel itchy, they'll feel really hot, they'll start flushing, and then they'll break out in hives. The second would be shortness of breath. Third would be nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, chronic abdominal pain. And then fourth, they may even lose consciousness. So again, this is all what can happen um, if someone is triggered by something that they are allergic to. So some of the causes, the most common triggers are food, medication, and insect. Usually foods, people tend to be allergic to nuts, um, fish, milk, eggs. Those are usually some of the common ones. Medication, people can be allergic to penicillin, aspirin, some other anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen and anesthesia. Um, Insect stings, we're allergic to bees, wasps, hornets, yellow jackets, and fire ants. So some of the watery eyes, runny nose, a rash. When it gets to the serious or very severe, and again, this can it can start mild, but it can quickly escalate to to the serious symptoms. Again, this can be trouble breathing, hives or swelling, tightness of the throat, hoarse voice, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, dizziness, fainting, low blood pressure, rapid heartbeat. As far as treatment and response goes, best way to manage anaphylactic reaction is to just avoid the triggers. So really being aware. So if you know food-wise that you're allergic to certain foods, if you're going to go out to restaurants, really paying attention to what it is and asking questions as far as what it is that they put in the food. Um, again, trying to avoid those things that you are allergic to. Also being prepared, so by carrying an EpiPen at all times and having it available near you or on you. Um, and again, if someone does go into anaphylactic reaction, they should be treated immediately, go from mild to really severe very quickly. As far as prevention or management, again, it's the best way to avoid this is to avoid the triggers. Um, really knowing, reading the food labels and knowing what type of ingredients are in the food that you are consuming. Medications, letting doctors know what medicine you are allergic to. Um, and then also insect stings. Really trying to avoid areas where you find them a lot. This down here, this is something from the ACAI. They kind of put that together. So these are as far as insect stings to help prevent stinging insects, avoid walking barefoot in grass, drinking from open soft drinking cans, wearing bright colors, clothing with flowery patterns. And again, these are just some of the recommendations that they recommend. They also came up with this Be Safe action guide. So again, if someone's ever going into anaphylactic shock, to seek immediate medical help. Don't wait. Identify the allergens, so know what it is that you consume, or the animal that stung you. follow up with a specialist, and again, carry an EpiPen for emergencies at all times. And these are some of the works cited that I got my information from. Thank you so much for watching.